Hey everybody, it's Kevin DeCew with DeCew Realty, and today I'm here with my friend Joe Wagner, who is a professional property manager at Integrated Housing Solutions, and he's going to share some really good information about the brand new law called the Tenant Protection Act of 2019.
Yes, thank you, Kevin. I'm happy to be here. There's two really important aspects to this brand new law. The first one is the rent cap. And essentially for a tenant of an apartment, a landlord can only give them a rent increase once a year, and it caps at 5% plus inflation. The second important aspect is that a landlord, if they want to ask a tenant to leave for any reason, whether it's if they've had an eviction or criminality, there's special rules that go into effect. So there's something called a no-fault or at-fault. So if a landlord has to ask a tenant to leave because of criminal activity or an eviction, or they're causing a nuisance, then they're able to do that without penalty. But if a landlord of an apartment building wants to do a renovation or just wants to maybe sell the building to a different party and wants to ask a tenant to leave, and that tenant is not doing anything criminal or they're still paying their rent, then that landlord of that apartment complex is going to have to pay for the tenant's last month's rent in order to compensate that tenant for relocating.
Would that also apply to single-family residence or a condo?
Well, at this time, no. A lot of people are wondering if this is going to affect residential houses and residential condos, but at this time it does not. It only affects apartment buildings.
Great. Well, Joe, that's wonderful information. Thank you so much. And I just want to remind everybody that if you are looking for professional property management, Joe is a local expert who's been doing this a long time, and I know he'd love to help you.
Thank you so much.